What's cracking, my brother? Here we are with that T.L.C.C, baby. James Brown, we ain't bullshitting. Shit, my boys are hungry in the morning.
Yeah.
Wait,
Not enough. You want them like laid out? Like
Yeah, everything out of the package. No.
Before. Salt. You already know, baby.
Anybody need flash drives over here? Now you can cook in it.
We're gonna fuck some shit up today, baby.
Yeah. And back to the switches.
Here's the switches on bitches.
next
Garlic salt, onion, salt, pepper. That's it, my brother. That is the whole. But you know, you got to be generous with it. You got to be generous with it. If you put too little on the steak, it won't be seasoned enough. Then you know, you go cheap on the seasoning, then you lose all that money on the steak. You know what I mean? Don't fuck your steak up. Be generous. Don't be scared. Seasoning ain't that expensive. You want that good steak. Man, look at that. This ain't no little. This ain't no little baby. What the hell?
That's that one, that big old dog from
Yes, sir.
I just set the temperature, burning it out equal to. No, before that.
Have you ever?
Just begin to sing with a gangster with a gangster
I'm in love with Mary Jane. She comes as no surprise tonight. Come get you some, Riley.
And I can see myself that is
Come get you some, bro.
And I want you to know that.
Take things for what they worth. Been a rider since birth in the earth. Okay, get down with the sex. Take a bullet with some. Take this.
You need everything you need.
Pass with them, addicted to the trap, you never know I relapse. So
graduated. I was overdue. I'm gonna bust a move. Red James, Tide Pump, that's a liability. Chase a rubber set. Got a rap mask on. Mask on.
You got a bottle of water. The hot Man, I can't even carry the stakes with this motherfucker. They're so heavy, dog. Look at that shit. Look at that. Look at that. Come get you some food. Burning motors. Burning steaks. Come get you some. It's good, man.
yeah, everything's everything.
What's up?
Mind just chill, listen to the beats I spill. Keep you attention, cause my rent's due. And the rap gang's my meal ticket. So you damn right I'ma kick it, okay, convicted. I bring something like Stephen King, a black Casanova, running brothers over like Chris Green. When I rock the spot with the flip I got, I get flipped. Call me a not, that's my class rap.
To ball, and yeah, dog, on the back that keep it real. You try to look and hit a bank. You get got the very next day. Hold your head up high and remember what you told yourself.
Here's your rib first. Here's the rib, baby. Once you get the rib, then we cut the rest right here, baby.
Yo, I got plaques on the wall. Man, you know how to make a shape.
Tell them what you think. Tell them what you think.
Oh my God. You can't relate to Billy Cooks and Kicking Dicks.